Let's talk about the scattered spheres function. This function lets us randomly position spheres within the layer. We can choose one material for the spheres and a different one for the background. Each of them can be a custom material that was saved from the digital material function. We can adjust the volume that the spheres will occupy within the layer. The volume of each layer is divided into cell units. We can adjust the cell unit volume and the number of sphere centers that will exist in each cell. These two parameters define the size of the spheres that we will have in the layer.